Here we are. I'm standing on the spreader bar. I've already been up the mast and put our wind gauge up there so we can tell which direction the wind is coming from. This is a shitty day to be up here. But there's Kimmy down there. This is what the boat looks from the spreader bar, from the mizzen mast. We got a lot of shit on this boat. There's our neighbor's boat. There's the dinghies. And our dinghy debits.
Ready for the snow?
And tomorrow it's supposed to, or actually this afternoon it's supposed to start snowing. It looks like snow and it feels like snow. This isn't easy being up here, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, y'all have a great day. We're having fun, can't you tell? Bye.